Welcome all of you. Good morning one and everyone. Please mention in the chat whether the audio video is clear or not. Hello. Everyone, please mention in the chat whether the audio video. Welcome all of you. Everyone, welcome all. Okay, so yeah, sorry for the delay. Actually, I had a lecture before. After that, it took some time to start the next session. So anyway, let's start. Welcome all. So please invite all your friends. Yeah, happy Dasara to all of you. Invite all your friends. Yes, audio video is clear. Okay. So welcome to this full-length course, GATE 2023 General Aptitude YouTube live course. Complete course for GATE aspirants preparing for any GATE General Aptitude section. All these streams, this course is common. So any of your friends preparing for any of this course, you can invite them. So just a minute. 2023 General Aptitude course, you can invite them. So for the new people, this is the bio of me. These are the details of the Telegram channel and WhatsApp group, and in the description of this video all the free resources are given, and in the chat also you can see the details of the full length playlist of this course also, and also the Telegram channel associated with this course. And these are the books I have written for General Aptitude section, and this is a complete schedule of the course. So today we are discussing mathematical sequences and series. Okay, let me clarify. Sequences and series, mathematical sequence bhi hai or series completion questions bhi hai. Dono different chapters hai. Mathematical sequences, like you should be clear about what is arithmetic sequence, what is geometric sequence, what is sum of terms of AP, GP, sum of terms of odd numbers, those things are involved here. Series completion में वो numbers भी हो सकता है, letters भी हो सकता है, even symbols भी हो सकता है. Numbers means you can, like, letters means like A, E, F. Yeah, A, E, F नहीं होगा, but A, E, J, what will be the next letter? So that is not discussed in this class. That is discussed in series completion class or sequence completion chapter. So today we are discussing mathematical sequences and series. So let us start. One second. So to deal with mathematical sequences and series, first you need to know about types of numbers. I hope all of you are familiar with these type of numbers, because in questions when you see first n natural numbers or sum of 8 consecutive natural numbers, 8 consecutive even natural numbers, there you should be clear about which numbers you are dealing with. So please make sure that you are clear about all these types of numbers. What is natural number? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Whole numbers मतलब 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity के साथ zero भी included होगा, that is whole numbers. And integers means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to infinity. That is positive integers, negative integers, and neutral integer, which is 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative, so it's a neutral integer. So and rational numbers sequence में आ सकता है, या fractions आ सकता है geometric sequence में. So there rational numbers are the numbers of the form p by q, where p and q are integers. P and q are integers means positive भी हो सकता है, negative भी हो सकता है. And every natural numbers, every integers are rational numbers, क्योंकि every integers can be written as that integer by 1 na, minus 5 by 1. Then prime number, composite number is not very important in this chapter. That will be discussed in the numbers chapter in detail. Even number, odd number also you should be very careful. And one thing let me tell you, even numbers negative भी हो सकता है, लेकिन even natural numbers negative नहीं हो सकता. Just mention even numbers, that means it can be negative or positive. Keep that in mind. Same with the case of odd numbers also. Okay, so itna clear hai na? Current this course is that only we are discussing PYQs also. Check out the previous lectures, you will get a proper idea. So types of numbers clear hai na? All of you, any doubts on any type, you mention. This is the preliminary things you need to know. Natural numbers kya hai? Definition, those of you want, in case you can check it out. In the PDF also it will be there. So I will share the PDF in the Telegram channel today evening. There you can get. So, and what is integers? Positive, negative, non-negative. Yeah, in question sometimes they can mention among the non-negative integers. There you should know non-negative means 0 be included hai, positive or 0 dono included hai. So keep that in mind. Then even number, odd number, negative, positive दोनों हो सकता है. Even natural number, odd natural number है तो वो positive ही हो सकता है. Okay, so let us now start the real topic today, the sequences and series. First thing is, what is arithmetic sequence? Arithmetic sequence, you have learned all these things in school days. But let us try to learn it again. Let us try to learn it or relearn it properly. That is what I am trying to do here. PDF will be shared in the Telegram channel, Rabia. Till yesterday, all the PDF are shared. Someday when I'm exhausted after full day classes, sometimes I share it in the next day, but all the previous PDF are available in the Telegram channel. Check out the link and you can find it there. Okay, so arithmetic sequence ko hum relearn kar raha hai properly. Unlearning and relearning is very important. I'm sure, or I'm almost sure, all of you remember this formula. Like a poem you have by hearted, a plus n minus 1d. And sum of terms is n by 2 into a plus n minus 2a plus n minus 1d. ये formula by heart किया है, rot learn किया है, लेकिन वो rot learning ज़्यादा help नहीं करेगा. Rot learning किया तो बहुत confusion होने का chance है. एक पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन में स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं है क्वेश्चन, लाइक फर्स्ट टर्म डिफरेंस नहीं दिया है, समथिंग मोर दे हैव गिवन, यू हैव टू टैकल व्हाट इज गिवन. देयर यू विल बी कंफ्यूज, ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना है, ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना है, ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. सो लेट अस ट्राई टू लर्न इट प्रॉपर्ली इन वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम. टुडे इटसेल्फ वी नीड टू फिनिश दिस टॉपिक. सो इन शॉर्ट टाइम आई विल एक्सप्लेन. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, or I'll start with this example itself, then I will show more examples. 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19. What type of sequence this is? What type of sequence? All of you know it, right? In case you don't know it, I will explain. Arithmetic sequence, na? Arithmetic sequence are a sequence following arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression means a common difference hona chahiye. There should be common difference between the terms. That is 3 is the common difference among the terms. Are you all understanding? But let us try to understand that formula with respect to this example itself. To get the second term, what you are doing? You are adding 3. To get the third term, you are adding 1 more 3. To get the fourth term, you are adding 1 more 3. To get the fifth term, you are adding 1 more 3. And so on. Are you all understanding? ये हो गया फर्स्ट टर्म, ये हो गया सेकंड टर्म, ये हो गया थर्ड टर्म, ये हो गया फोर्थ टर्म, ये हो गया फिफ्थ टर्म. सो nth टर्म के लिए क्या करना है? फर्स्ट टर्म के लिए कुछ ऐड नहीं किया. फर्स्ट टर्म इज ऑलरेडी देयर. दैट मीन्स 0 बार 3 ऐड किया है ना. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? 0 बार 3 ऐड किया. सेकेंड टर्म के लिए 1 टाइम, सेकेंड टर्म के लिए 2 टाइम 3 नहीं ऐड किया. सेकेंड टर्म के लिए 1 टाइम 3 ऐड किया. थर्ड टर्म के लिए 2 बार 3 ऐड किया. सो nth टर्म के लिए n टाइम्स 3 ऐड नहीं करना है, 1 टाइम कम करना है. 1 टाइम लेस ओनली यू नीड टू ऐड अप. आर यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग? दैट मीन्स वी कैन से फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस n-1 टाइम्स 3 ऐड किया तो nth टर्म मिलेगा. nth टर्म मीन्स विच एवर टर्म. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 10th टर्म चाहिए तो ये फर्स्ट टर्म 1 के साथ 3 कितना बार ऐड करना है? 9 टाइम्स ओनली, नॉट 10 टाइम्स. दैट मीन्स nth टर्म के लिए n-1 टाइम्स ही ऐड करना है. एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी लर्न एज अ फॉर्मूला. 1 यहां फर्स्ट टर्म है ना, फर्स्ट टर्म को a अस्यूम किया तो n-1 टाइम्स 3. ये 3 क्या है? दैट इज द कॉमन डिफरेंस. So n-1 times d, and that is the formula a plus n-1d. Did you all understood? I think many of you already know this is how that formula is coming, but those people who don't know how the formula is coming, is it clear or not? Can you respond? Yeah, there is a Telegram channel for GATE course also. There is a Telegram channel for general Telegram channel for general aptitude and Vedic maths also. I have pinned that comment, the link for the GATE Telegram group, GATE Telegram channel. This course related Telegram channel is that is where the study materials are posted. In the general Telegram channel, general aptitude for GATE, general aptitude for CSIR, Vedic math, many materials, other materials are provided. Both you can be part of. Okay, itna clear hai na? So a plus n minus 1d, I hope all of you understood how a plus n minus 1d is coming. All of you clear? So that is the first formula. Nth term ko Tn लिख सकता है, a plus n minus 1d होगा. A plus n minus 1d होगा. Then how you can justify the sum of terms, sum of n terms? Okay, a plus n minus 1d, I hope all of you understood this. 20th टर्म चाहिए तो 1 के साथ 3 ऐड करना पड़ेगा. कितना बार? 19 टाइम्स ऐड करना काफी है. सेकेंड टर्म से हम 3 ऐड कर रहा है ना, सो 19 टाइम्स 3 ऐड करना है. सो 20th टर्म है तो 1 प्लस 19 इंटू 3 होगा, एंड सो ऑन. नाउ हाउ दिस कैन बी यूज फॉर फाइंडिंग सम ऑफ टर्म्स, लाइक सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 10 टर्म्स चाहिए तो 10 टर्म्स चाहिए तो सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 10 टर्म्स चाहिए तो 1 के साथ 4 ऐड करना है, 7 ऐड करना है, 10 ऐड करना है, 13 ऐड करना है, अप टू 10 टर्म्स ऐड करना है ना. उसके लिए या आई विल टेक दिस एग्जाम्पल इटसेल्फ. वो डिराइव करने के लिए दो तरीका है. वन इज दिस फर्स्ट टर्म एंड लास्ट टर्म. Yeah, this is like let us take the first, instead of 10 terms, this much terms itself we will add up. That is first 7 terms. First 7 terms add करने के लिए 1 और 10 ऐड कर सकता है, 4 और 16 ऐड कर सकता है एक साथ, 7 और 13 ऐड कर सकता है. ये सब 20 है ना. Are you all understanding that is 20? 1 plus 19 20, 4 plus 16 20, 7 plus 13 20. उसके बाद ये 10 है. मतलब ये 3 terms together 20 20 20 60, that is 6 times 10 ऐड करना है और 7th टाइम भी 10 ऐड करना है. और इन अदर वर्ड्स वी कैन से कितना टर्म्स है उसका आधा. वाई आधा? बिकॉज वी आर पेयरिंग अप. सो n by 2 टाइम्स फर्स्ट टर्म 1 प्लस लास्ट टर्म, ये ऐड किया तो भी चलेगा ना. Like 7 है तो 7 by 2 times 1 plus 19. Look at this. 7 by 2 times 1 plus 19 means 7 into 20 by 2. That 20 by 2 was the 10. That 10 7 times add किया. 10 एक मिडिल में है, बाकी 7 times 10 है ना. ऐसा सोच सकता है ना. 1 plus 19 is 2 times 10. 4 plus 16 is 2 times 10. 3 plus 7 plus 13 is 2 times 10. So that means that 20 by 2 into 7. That way you can say, and that is what we learn as n by 2 into a plus l, where a is the first term, l is the last term. That is how you can find sum of, but that can be applied only if you know first term and last term. If you don't know last term, you have to do this way, and that is nothing but that is also n by 2 into a plus l itself is this also. How? n by 2 into a plus l means n by 2 into first term plus last term. nth term is the last term na. If n terms तक sum कर रहा तो nth term is the last term. nth term find करने के लिए a plus n minus 1d we already derived. That is a plus n minus 1d. a plus a means 2a. That is how 2a plus n minus 1d comes. This idea itself. Are you understanding what I am saying? So now I think you are 100% confident about what is this formula, what is this formula, without actually by hearting it, I guess. Please respond. इतना clear है या नहीं? So Yeah, second term, third term, generally you can write like this. First term plus common difference, 1 time you add, 2 times you add, 3 times you add, up to n minus 1 times you add. Okay, itna to clear hai na? As I have to complete this topic in today's class itself, more explanation I will give you with the questions itself. Arithmetic progression based questions I will show you now. In some question, to do direct method, these kinds of facts you need to know. But when question arises, when a need arises, there I will show you this. For the time's sake, leave it. And वो arithmetic progression का formula को extend किया तो some special formulas लिख सकता है. Sum of first n natural numbers will be n into n plus 1 by 2. That is nothing but this n by 2 into a plus l idea itself. N by 2 into a plus l idea itself. If you want, I will show you. N by 2 into first term is 1 up to last term is n. That is because n natural numbers है तो first natural number 1 है ना. And n natural number means last natural number you are considering is n. That is n by 2 into first term plus last term. So we can derive 1 plus n means n into n plus 1. So n into n plus 1 by 2. Is that clear? All of you? So that you don't have to by heart that also. Yeah, you already remember it, I am sure. N into n plus 1 by 2. So, okay, pairing thing you have doubt? Okay, I will repeat that. N is total number. N is total number. Yes, Bhakti. That pairing idea, if you have doubt, I will do one thing. I will take another example so that you will be more confident. So that you will never forget that formula. All of you listen. I will take another example, say 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, 23, 27. 8 numbers है. ये numbers का sum find करने के लिए मैं smartly ऐसा कर सकता है, first term और last term combine किया, मुझे 3 plus 27 मिलेगा, that is 30. Second term और second last term combine किया, 7 plus 23, that is also 30 na. That means all the pairs I am taking like this, I am going to get 30. Okay, I will do one thing. I will write one more term, that will be more easy to understand. Odd number का case already I discussed. 7, 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, 23, 27, 30. 31, sorry. If these are the 8 terms, ये 8 terms का sum के लिए 3 और 31 combine किया तो 34 मिलेगा, 7 और 27 compare किया तो भी combine किया तो भी 34 मिलेगा, 11 और 23 combine किया तो भी 34 मिलेगा, 15 और 19 combine किया तो भी 34 मिलेगा. तो ये 34 is actually first term plus last term ना. First term last term sum will be same as second term second last term sum. Because the common difference is same, that is the reason. Are you understanding? Third term, third last term sum भी same होगा, fourth term, fourth last term भी sum भी same होगा, and so on. That means 8 terms में कितना pairs है? 8 by 2 pairs होगा ना, वो सब pair का sum first term plus last term ही होगा. Are you all understanding? In this case, that is 3 plus 31 होगा. That means in general we can say n terms है तो उसका आधा pairs होगा, that into a plus l होगा answer. Even number case में थोड़ा और clear हो जाएगा. Odd number case में भी same idea है, you can check it out. Odd number case I already showed you. I hope this is clear. Yes, Anil. Your course will cover all things needed for your upcoming GATE exam. Moreover, this will be very useful for your upcoming CSIR and other competitive exams also. Verbal ability CSIR में नहीं है, इसलिए first 40 lectures non-verbal ability का है, वो GATE के लिए भी very useful होगा, CSIR के लिए भी useful होगा. I hope this much is clear. How n by 2 into a plus l, and that a plus l I already told you. A means what? First term A, and L is A plus n minus 1D. Nth term is A plus n minus 1D. Now last term means nth term. So A plus n minus 1D is 2A plus n minus 1D. that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. This is the formula. How to derive that formula is what I have showed you now. Okay, coming back to, so वो फॉर्मूला क्लियर है, तो वो फॉर्मूला का कोरोलरी है सम ऑफ फर्स्ट n नेचुरल नंबर्स n by 2 into n plus 1 और n into n plus 1 by 2. अभी ऑड नेचुरल नंबर्स का फॉर्मूला n स्क्वायर है, वो कैसा डिराइव कर सकता है? ऑड नेचुरल नंबर मींस फर्स्ट ऑड नेचुरल नंबर 1 है ना, 1 है और कॉमन डिफरेंस 2 होगा ना, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus up to n. Are you all understanding? Yeah, up to not n odd natural numbers है, तो nth term, if when you write n terms you are not writing you are not writing n natural numbers. So anyway, that will be, one second, yeah, we can use that normal formula itself, n by 2 into a plus 1 plus n minus 2a plus 2 plus n minus 1 into d, n minus 1 into common difference is 2. इसको simplify करके check करो, opening up the bracket, 2n by 2 is n plus n square minus n cancels, n square you will get. That is how this formula is derived. Sum of first n odd numbers will be n square. Those of you in case have any confusion, what does that mean? 1 plus 3 plus 5, ये 3 odd numbers है ना, इसका sum 3 square होगा. Check करो, 1 plus 3 plus 5 9 है ना, 3 square है ना, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, 5 odd numbers है तो 5 square 25 होगा answer, and so on. Are you all understanding? इतना clear है? So but different odd होना चाहिए क्या given number? I didn't understand the doubt, Bhakti. Repeat करिए doubt. Even numbers n into n plus 1 same way derive कर सकता है. Even numbers, sum of first n, even natural numbers. Natural numbers means 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus up to n, nth term, not nth term, because 2n is the nth term. So that will be n by 2 into a plus or 2a plus, 2a means 4 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 2. इसको simplify करके check करो, 4n by 2 is 2n plus n square, 2n square minus 2n, sorry, did I make a mistake? Two n plus 2n square minus 2n. Okay, this 2 is there, sorry, that is a mistake. 2 and 2 cancels, it will be n square minus 2n only when you are opening up the brackets. That is, I'll write down for once more, n by 2 into 2a plus, 2a means 2 into 2, 4 plus n minus 1 into common difference 2 itself will be the common difference. Opening up the brackets, you will get 4n by 2 plus n into n minus 1, n into n minus 1. Opening up this also, 4n by 2 is 2n plus n square minus n. N square minus n will be n square plus n itself, that is n into n plus 1. That is how this can also be derived. Are you understanding? Very fast I am deriving for the time's sake. Check it out in detail, you will get clear clarity. So these three corollary I hope you understood. Arithmetic progression ka sum of arithmetic progression idea itself we are using. Is that clear? That is why n into n plus 1. Yeah, these things you can try yourself. Arithmetic progression का idea सिर्फ use किया तो ये derive नहीं कर सकता. That is why I am not discussing that now. Sequence based these three equations also, these three formula also, understand it. वो अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए मैं लॉजिकल एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रहा था. I hope that is clear. Now let's see more questions. Geometric sequence I will come back to after that. This is a GATE 2020 problem. All of you try it. All of you try it. I'll give you 2 minutes to try. I'll set the timer also, just a minute. Try it, all of you. Yeah, 1.5 minutes will be enough, I guess. Sorry, the title, probability title, I will correct it. Sorry for that. Sequence and series is what we are discussing. 1.5 minutes, please try it. Yes, Muskan, that way also you can derive. Very good. Natural number का formula से odd number formula subtract किया तो भी even number मिलेगा, and vice versa. Odd number के लिए even number subtract किया तो भी मिलेगा natural number से. So 9th lecture. Very good. Many of you got it. What I have taught you now is enough to do this question. Yeah, those of you are watching this session, do hit the like button if you feel that you are learning something from this session. Do hit the like button. That will help YouTube to understand that this session should be recommended to more people, and that will help me to launch more courses like this for free through this channel. Like, share and subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss any of my updates. Okay, so the difference between the sum of the first two n natural numbers. N natural number है तो n natural number है तो n into n plus 1 है ना, n into n plus 1 by 2 है ना. So 2n natural number है तो 2n into 2n plus 1 by 2 natural 2n plus 1 by 2 होगा. Are you all understanding? n into n plus 1 by 2, लेकिन n के जगह यहाँ 2n है. So 2n into 2n plus 1 by 2. That is the sum of first 2n natural numbers. Difference between minus sum of first n odd natural number, that is n square. ये दोनों का difference find करना है ना. So simplify करिए 2n square plus n minus n square, that is n square plus n. n square plus n option B है. So that is the answer. So that is one way of doing it if you are thorough with the idea of arithmetic sequence and sum of first and odd natural number and sum of first and even natural number. Sorry, odd natural number and sum of first and natural number. But if you don't know that, how you will do it? I'll tell you a second method also. First method सबको clear है ना? n के जगह 2n लिखना है, that you please be careful. So this is a summary of the first method. ये तो clear है ना? Direct method. Now to those people who are not that interested in learning more formula, like a plus n minus 1 d formula भी याद में नहीं है तो, then you can do the same question with taking example method. I have told many times there are at least 15 different approaches you can do a question with. यहाँ पे mathematical direct method भी एक approach है, taking example method भी एक approach है. Taking example method कैसा applicable होगा यहाँ? n के जगह एक example ले लो, वो example satisfy करने वाला option क्या है चेक करो. Sum of first n 2n natural number. So n को मैं assume कर रहा है 2. n 2 है तो 2n हो गया 4. And ये n odd natural number हो गया 2 odd natural number. वो चेक करिए, first 4 natural number का sum manually find कर सकता है ना. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. Minus फर्स्ट टू ऑड नेचुरल नंबर्स दैट इज 1 and 3. 1 and 3 का सम तो 4 है. 10 minus 4 तो 6 मिलेगा. 6 सेटिस्फाई करने वाला कौन सा ऑप्शन है चेक करो. n2 सब्सटीट्यूट किया तो 2 स्क्वायर 4 minus 2 6 नहीं है. सो ऑप्शन ए एलिमिनेट किया. 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 6 है. दैट डज नॉट मीन दैट इज द आंसर. यू हैव टू चेक अदर ऑप्शन वेदर एनी अदर ऑप्शन इज गिविंग 6. देन यू नीड one more example or one more example to start with. So 2n square means 2 into 2 square. 2 into 2 square is 2 into 4 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. Yeah, the problem came. One more 6 is coming. So 2 into 2 square 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. So that will not be possible. So ये भी eliminated हुआ. So दो options possible है, इसलिए n3 वाला एक और चेक करिए. n3 है तो 2n होगा 6. So sum of first 2n natural numbers will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 का सम होगा. That you either manually add it or formula याद है तो formula से add करो. Manually add करना काफी है. So that will be 21. 21 minus sum of first 3 odd natural number. 3 odd natural number will be 1 plus 3 plus 5 9. 21 minus 9 is 12. 12 मिलने के लिए n3 सब्सटीट्यूट किया तो 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 3 12 है. लेकिन 2 into 3 square is 9. 18 minus 3 is not 12. So this will be eliminated. Did you understand? Yeah, most of the question there can be a plan B. There can be a plan B, and the plan B here, if you are not at all okay with the first plan or first approach, you can use the second approach, taking example method. Sabko clear hai? Yeah, obviously here the first approach is faster. First approach is faster. If you are not okay with it only, then use the other one. Then, one second. Yeah, try this. This is a very good question. Arithmetic progression based question itself. All of you try. 1.5 minutes to try and post your answer in the chat. If all of you are understanding the concepts properly, we have to finish the topic also in a day, so we have to go a little faster also. But even if I went a little fast, I hope the concepts are clear. Okay, so the time is up. So here the question is saying that insert 7 numbers. Insert means put. उसके बीच में insert करना है 2 और 34 के बीच में. 2 और 34 के बीच में मतलब 2 और 34 included, there will be 9 numbers ना. Nine numbers, sorry, 2 or 34 including, there will be 9 numbers, 7 numbers in between. 7 numbers in between. So such that the resulting sequence including 2 and 34 is an arithmetic progression. Sum of these inserted 7 numbers, sum of all numbers are not asked, sum of inserted 7 numbers. वो कैसा फाइंड कर सकता है? First find sum of these 9 numbers वो तो फाइंड करना इजी है ना, क्योंकि इवन इफ वो नंबर्स क्या है पता नहीं है, फर्स्ट टर्म और लास्ट टर्म ऑलरेडी पता है ना, फर्स्ट टर्म और लास्ट टर्म पता है तो n/2 इंटू ए प्लस एल करना काफी है ना, n/2 इंटू ए प्लस एल, where including 2 and 34 9 numbers are there, so 9/2 into 2 plus 34 162 will be the sum of these 9 numbers. लेकिन 9 numbers का सम नहीं है, if 9 numbers का सम है तो वो बहुत ही सिली क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा ना, that is where they have asked inserted ये 7 numbers का सम, कॉम्प्लीमेंट आइडिया यूज करिए, टोटल मिला, टोटल से अनवांटेड थिंग रिमूव करिए, प्रोबेबिलिटी में भी, परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन चैप्टर में भी कॉम्प्लीमेंट आइडिया है टोटल लॉट ना, so that complement idea यहाँ भी use करिए, that means from 162 you delete this 2 and 34, delete means subtract, 162 minus 2 minus 34 is the answer 126. All clear? Please respond. That is a smart way to do this. You can do this otherwise also, but that will take a lot of time. Don't waste that much time. You should do it smartly. Smartly do करने के लिए you should have a command over the formula. Just rote learning the formula नहीं चलेगा. That is why I spared the first 20-25 minutes on making you understand the basic formula. So if that is clear, let's move on to the next question. Try this question. Very good question. Yeah, I'll start the timer also. 1.5 minutes remaining. Carefully read the question and answer, please. Okay. The ratio of the sum of first odd positive integers from 1 to 100 to the sum of first even positive integers from 150 to 200. So sum of first odd positive numbers from 1 to 100 तो easy है ना, that is first n odd natural number sum itself, that is n square, that is 50 square. Did you all understood numerator 50 square होगा, क्योंकि first 100 numbers में आधा odd होगा, आधा even होगा, आधा मतलब 100 का half 50 odd numbers होगा, n odd numbers है तो n square होगा, that we already discussed. So 50 square will be the numerator to the sum of first even positive integers from 150 to 200. Here don't use n into n plus 1 formula. n into n plus 1 formula for even numbers is possible only from first even number onwards if you have. यहाँ पे first even number even natural number 2 नहीं दिया है ना, 150 to 200 दिया है, इसलिए वो नहीं यूज करना, but you can use n/2 into a plus l idea. Because even numbers means it is arithmetic progression with common difference 2. So n by 2 into a plus l, where a is 150 and l is 200. What is n? How many terms are there? 150 to 200 tak. Natural numbers though, 51 natural numbers है. 50 या 51, 150 included. 50 natural numbers में 25 even numbers है ना. लेकिन ये 150 भी even है तो 26. Did you understand why 26 not 25? 151 to 200 तक ही 25 even numbers होगा. क्यों 25? क्योंकि 151 to 200 means odd even odd even odd even pair wise 25 pairs are there. हर पेयर में एक इवन नंबर. लेकिन 150 उसके पहले वाला नंबर है ना. दैट इज ऑल्सो इवन नंबर. सो 25 प्लस 1 26 नेचुरल नंबर्स आर देयर. इसको सिंप्लीफाई किया तो 13 इंटू 250 होगा. 13 into 250 I will write down like this itself. Don't simplify it. Keep it 13 into 250 itself. Now इसको simplify करना है. 50 square का 50. 50 square is 50 into 50 ना. Just writing to give you clarity. 250 50 cancel किया तो 5 मिलेगा. So 5 and 10 cancel किया तो 1 second, did I make a mistake? Yeah, correct only. No. There is somewhere I made a mistake. Yeah, sorry, this is 150 na. The bracket I misread. It is 150. 150 plus 200, not 250. It is 350. 350 and 50 cancels to give you not 5, 7. So 50 by 13 into 7, that is 91. 50 by 91 is the ratio. Sabko clear hai? Yes, 350. Yes. I hope all of you are clear. Just see how many questions came just by that small idea of arithmetic sequence and the corollary, these three equations. Hope it is clear. ये क्वेश्चन डिफरेंट तरीके से कर सकता है और भी वेज है. यू कैन थिंक लाइक 1 to 200 तक इवन नंबर फाइंड करो, इसके बाद 1 to 149 तक इवन नंबर कम करो, ऐसा भी कर सकता है. और ये ऑड नंबर का भी फॉर्मूला याद नहीं है तो ये n by 2 into a plus l वहाँ भी यूज कर सकता है. n by 2 into a plus l, that is all up to you. So if anyone wants more clarity, check it out. This is what I explained. Once again I'm asking, any doubts or any concerns? 26 कैसे आया? Because Afreen, we want to count from 150 to 200. 151 to 200, there is 50 natural numbers, right? In the 50 natural numbers, half will be even. आधा even होगा ना? So 50 का आधा 25. But that is 151 onwards. 150 also is even number, so that is one more. n by 2 means how many terms are there in that sequence. So how many terms? 26 terms. 26 by 2 into first term plus last term. That was the idea. So these solutions I will provide in the PDF in the Telegram channel today evening. So if that is clear, this is geometric sequence that I will come back to. This also I will come back to. Try this. This is an interesting one. Answer key was not given. I mean options were not given because it's a numerical question. Try this all of you. Yes, I have summarized 2 times now. Question is asking numerator by denominator. Numerator was sum of first n odd natural numbers, that is sum of first 1 to 100, how many natural numbers. Then denominator was asking 150 to 200 even numbers. For that we are using n by 2 into a plus l. Numerator we are using sum of first n odd natural number n square formula. That was the idea. Okay, so I'll see this. In a sequence of 12 consecutive odd numbers, that does not say that it is odd, it is starting from 1. It can be starting from any odd number. The sum of first 5 numbers is 425. Sum of first 5 numbers. So which formula is better? We don't know the first term. So n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d idea will be better. And how that formula came, I have already explained. Those who join late, check out the beginning of this class. So n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. Here d is 2 na. That is the first thing. Odd numbers consecutive with a difference to 2 hona chahiye. Are you all understanding difference is 2? Please respond. So difference is 2. But a we don't know. 12 consecutive. So n terms, 12 terms is there. So 12 by 2 into 2a plus 12 minus 1, 11 into 2, difference is 2, that is equal to, that is the sum. So that is the sum. That is the full sum of 12 positive numbers. Now first, this is sum 1 I will write. Sum 1. First 5 numbers ka, if I write it sum 2, first 5 numbers ka means 5 by 2 into the same a itself, 2a plus n minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4 into same 2 itself. That is equal to 425. From this you can easily find a na, and then substitute it here, there. That way you can find the last 5 numbers also. Let's see how. So 5 by 2 into, so cross multiplying you will get 84 by 5. 2a plus 8 is equal to 84 by 5. 2a is equal to 84 by 5 minus 8. Okay, it is 425. No, sorry, I am making mistakes more. So 425, not 42. So it is 425. 425 and 5 cancels. That will be 85. 85 by 85 into 2. 2 cross multiply. 85 into 2 will be 170. Did you all understood this much? So 2a will be 162. 2a will be 162. So a will be 81. All of you understood this much? Please respond. A will be 81. That means now you can write it down if you want. 81, 83, 85, 87, 89. These are the first 5 terms. This is not necessary, but just to make you understand what we are doing. Next to 7 numbers. Now the next last 5 numbers. 95, 97, 99, 101, 103. This 5 number sum is what you need to find. This 5 number sum. This 5 number sum you can directly use 5 by 2 into a plus l, 95 plus 103. That is 5 by 2 into 198. That is 5 into 99. 5 into 99, 400. 500 minus 5, 495 is the answer. How many of you understood this? Please respond. It's a good question, checking your basic understanding about sum of arithmetic progression. All of you clear? Yeah, there can be more improvisations also you can make. Options were there means options could have helped us to eliminate also. So if this is clear, let's move on to the next question. There was another similar question came in 2000. Let me check. This one, 2014. Okay, I'll do one thing. Do this as homework. This is somewhat similar to previous one, but some more idea, one different idea is also needed. Check it out. Now we will go to other areas. Before that, try this. By this we will finish arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence. Then we will see geometric sequence and other special sequences. Geometric sequence and other special sequences after this. All of you try this super fast. It's a very good question. Very good question. Okay, many of you got C option. Let's see whether it is right. What is the maximum sum of 44, 42, 40? That means two difference, 38, etc. Maximum sum means it can be negative or positive. The sequence can go up to till minus infinity. But maximum sum ke liye, you should not go to negative numbers for sure. Because negative numbers will just cancel out the positive numbers. So better not go to negative realm. So maximum sum ke liye you should count only till 2 or 0. 0 count kiya to bhi, 2 count kiya to bhi, difference nahi hoga. So once you understood that this is what you need to do, either you take this as the first term and this as the last term, or this as the first term and this as the last term. Both is okay. ये first term लिया तो -2 है common difference. ये first term लिया तो +2 है common difference. But common difference is not needed na. As first term and last term we know. n by 2 into a plus l we can use. So a is 44 and l is 2 or vice versa. But n by 2, n क्या है? That is where you have to think logically. ये 1, 2, 3 up to 44 का आधा है ना. 1, 2, 3 up to 44, 44 natural numbers में आधा odd होगा, आधा even होगा ना. Are you understanding? आधा odd, आधा even होगा. मतलब 44 का आधा 22 होगा ना. ये 22 होगा. 22 by 2, 11 into 46. Those of you attended my Vedic math class, to multiply a number with 11, between the sum of digits, sandwich the sum of, between the digits, sum of, sandwich the sum of digits. 4 plus 6, 10. लेकिन 10 ऐसा ही लिख सकता है 506. Otherwise use your virtual calculator, which will take more time. Anyway, 506 you will get. Did you all understood option C, 506? How? So these were the questions asked in GATE exam based on arithmetic sequence alone. Now we will go to geometric sequence. Geometric sequence के बारे में discuss करेगा. Geometric sequence, yeah, we'll go a little faster. What is geometric sequence? Geometric sequence means a sequence where there's a common ratio. First number into a number, you will get the second number. Second number into the same number, you will get the third number, and so on. For example, 1 into 5 is 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into 5 is 125, and so on. Let us analyze this. What is happening? So first term a assume किया तो ये a into common ratio r है ना. Common ratio 5 है. Ratio literally you can take the ratio of second term by first term. That is the common ratio. 5 by 1, 25 by 5, 125 by 25. So a into r है ना ये, और ये क्या है? a into r into r. a into r into r is a into r square. और ये क्या है? a into r into r into r into r, that is a r cube. up to nth term क्या होगा? tn या nth term whatever you represent, a into r raised to n minus 1 होगा ना. Please don't mug up that also. Understand why it is so. Then you will never forget it and you will have a proper idea where to use that. So I hope all of you understood a r raised to n minus 1 का meaning क्या है. 10th term चाहिए तो first term के साथ common ratio repeatedly multiply करना है. 10 minus 1 9 times only. Why not 10 times? क्योंकि फर्स्ट टर्म ऑब्टेन करने के लिए कोई मल्टीप्लिकेशन चाहिए. दैट इज आर्बिट्रली चूजन ना. by the person who has set that sequence. Are you all understanding? Uska same like arithmetic progression, we can derive the formula of geometric progression also. Ye thoda time consuming, and now if I spare time on this derivation, that will not allow us to do more questions. So for the time sake, A क्या है, R क्या है पता है तो सेम लाइक अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन n टर्म्स का सम फाइंड करने के लिए a इंटू r रेज टू n minus 1 by r minus 1 होगा, where n is the nth term, n number of terms, a is the first term, r is the common ratio. इतना clear है ना? Now this is very important that infinite geometric progression है तो मतलब for example previous question में 1 5 25 125 up to infinity है तो sum of infinite geometric progression, there the common ratio is more than 1. If the common ratio is less than 1, a by 1 minus r होगा, a by 1 minus r होगा. More than 1 है तो भी कर सकता है, r will be negative, so r minus 1, but less than 1 is the idea we need to use in many questions. So इतना clear होना चाहिए geometric sequence के लिए. Are you all clear? With questions I will give you more clarity, that will be better. Okay, I will show one example, otherwise you people will be confused. One example where okay, I'll take a black screen and explain, that will be better. So the example I have taken itself 1 5 25 125. For example, if I want to find the fifth term or 10th term, T10 will be 1 into r is 5 raised to 9, that is 5 raised to 9 will be that value, whatever be that value. Now if it is sum of first 10 terms, sum of 10 terms, that will be a into 1 into r raised to n minus 1. R is 10. So r raised to means 5 raised to, r is 5. 5 raised to 10 minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 by 1 into 5 minus 1. This if you do, you will get the answer. I'm just giving an illustration how this is applicable. But if the question was sum of infinite sequence, if it will be a by 1 minus r. Now we will go to next question. Try this question. One and a half minutes. Yes, Afreen. Whoever was attending the session, recorded or live, do hit the like button. That will help this channel a lot, help this free initiatives a lot, and that will encourage me to give more such free classes and free courses. Renu, if you are preparing for GATE also, this course is very needed. If you are only preparing for CSIR, if you have lack of time, the plus course itself is enough. A course is more important if you are preparing for GATE also. Yeah, sorry for the sound. Okay, so now let us start. What is the value of 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 64 up to infinity? So this is an infinite geometric progression. For infinite geometric progression, a by 1 minus r, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio. So here how it is applicable? First term is 1. What is the common ratio you need to identify? 1 by 4 से multiply किया तो each term you can generate the next term with it ना. First term के साथ 1 by 4 multiply किया तो second term मिलेगा. Second term के साथ 1 by 4 multiply किया तो third term मिलेगा and so on. Can you see that? If you cannot see that, second by first you divide and see. Third by second you divide and see. But that is very time consuming. You should be able to identify. So, sum of infinite geometric progression is a by 1 minus r. So, 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 1 by 3 by 4. 1 by 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. So, 4 by 3 is the answer. Is that clear? 4 by 3, how it is the answer? All of you, please respond. All clear? Audio video clear or not? Is the video stuck or something? So 4 by 3 is the answer. Same question, one more time they have asked with a different sequence. Let me see where it is. Yeah, this one. This is little more trickier. Try it carefully. Try it carefully, all of you. Yes, Preeti, sorry for the background noise. I hope now it will be less. All of you try this. Carefully try it. I'll give you 1.5 minutes. Are you getting an idea what is this question? It is the same idea like before, but there is no one sequence. There are 3 different infinite geometric sequences inside this. How? Look at this. The first term 1 by 2, then 1 by 8, then 1 by 32, then obviously 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 8. Sorry, 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 8. Now 1 by 8 into same 1 by 4 is 1 by 32. So can you tell me what is the next term in that sequence? 1 by 32 into 1 by 4. Are you all understanding? That is 1 by 128 and so on. ऐसा एक geometric sequence है 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 32 plus up to infinity. अभी उसका sum है. Before that we will identify each sequence. 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27 वो दूसरा सीक्वेंस है. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 27 up to infinity. Q. And tell me what will be the next term in that sequence. Look at this, those people who didn't understand. 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 1 by 9 है ना. 1 by 9 into same 1 by 3 1 by 27 है ना. 1 by 27 into same 1 by 3 1 by 81 and so on. That is a second sequence. Third sequence is minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 16, minus 1 by 64 and so on. Minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 16, minus 1 by 64 and so on. So on means it is 1 by 4 multiplied. Minus 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 is minus 1 by 16. Minus 1 by 16 into 1 by 4 is minus 1 by 64. So next term, can you guess or can you tell? Minus 1 by 256 and so on. ये तीनों का सम करके ये तीनों ऐड किया तो आंसर मिलेगा. Let us see what will be the answer then. This is a by 1 by 2 by 1 minus r. 1 minus common ratio is 1 by 4. That is 1 by 2 by 1 3 by 4. 1 by 2 by 3 by 4 is 4 cancels. 1 by 4 by 3 into 2. 2 by 3, isn't it? 2 by 3 you will get. Then second one will be a by 1 minus r is the common equation. 1 by 1 minus r. R will be 1 by 3. That is 1 by 2 by 3. 1 by 2 by 3 is, sorry, 1 by 3 by 2 by 3. 1 by 3 will be first term. A by 1 minus r. So 1 by 3 by 2 by 3 will be 1 by 2. 3 cancels, 1 by 2. Similarly, this one you can do one thing, you can take negative outside so that the negative will not create confusion in case you have confusion. There is no chance of confusion. A को -1 ले सकता है, -1 by 4 ले सकता है, but ratio में कुछ confusion है तो माइनस कॉमन ले लो, उसके बाद 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus all positive हो गया है ना. A will be 1 by 4 by 1 minus r. Common ratio will also be 1 by 4. 1 by 4. That is minus into 1 by 4 by 3 by 4. 1 by 4 by 3 by 4. 4 cancels. Minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. हमारा फाइनल आंसर ये तीनों का सम है ना. तीनों का सम मतलब 2 by 3 plus half minus 1 by 3. 2 by 3, 1 by 3 cancels 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus half. Those people who know mental math, this is 1/3, 33.33, 50%, 83.33, that is 5 by 6. Otherwise take LCM, 6, 2 plus 3, 5 by 6. Very good question, na? I hope all of you understood it. All of you clear or not? Feedback will be great. So I hope that geometric sequence idea also is clear. Now I will show you arithmetic or geometric nahi, random sequence also they have asked many times. Even this question is a wonderful example of that. Try this carefully. Just like previous question, you need to find out the sequences or find out the patterns from it. It is not that obvious. You have to write it down and find it out. That is very needed. One and a half minutes to try. All of you try. Okay, many of you got it, some of you got it. Okay, so listen, consider the sequence of numbers a1 a2 up to an, where an is 1 by n by 1 by n plus 2. So there is a form given of these numbers 1 by n by 1 by n plus 2, 1 by n plus 2. Each integer greater than 0, integer greater than 0 means you can start with 1. 1 है तो 1 by 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 2, 1 by 3 होगा ना. Did you all understood? n के जगह 1 substitute करना, so n plus 2 3 हो जाएगा. n equal to 1 case. अभी n equal to 2, we are writing 2-3 terms to get a clarity what these sequence are. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 2, 1 by 4. n equal to 3 है तो 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5 and so on up to 50 terms. 50 terms at the n 50 will be 1 by 50 minus 1 by 50 plus 2, 52. So इसके पहले n 49 के लिए क्या होगा? 1 by 49 minus 1 by 51. उसके पहले 1 by 48 minus 1 by 50 and so on. Are you all understanding? अभी ये देखो, इसमें बहुत सारा टर्म्स कैंसिल हो जाएगा. प्लस 1 by 3 माइनस 1 by 3, इसके बाद प्लस 1 by 4 माइनस 1 by 4. लुक एट इट लाइक रो वाइज एंड कॉलम वाइज. रो वाइज क्या है, सॉरी कॉलम वाइज यू थिंक अबाउट इट. फर्स्ट कॉलम, सेकंड कॉलम. फर्स्ट कॉलम में क्या क्या है? 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 up to 1 by 50. कैन यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड दैट? सेकंड कॉलम में ये सबका नेगेटिव है. कौन सा नंबर से स्टार्ट कर रहा है? माइनस 1 by 3 से स्टार्ट कर रहा है. सो आई विल राइट इट माइनस 1 by 3 माइनस 1 by 4. यहां पे भी प्लस 1 by 4 है ना. अप टू नॉट 1 by 50 ओनली, अप टू माइनस 1 by 52, माइनस 1 by 52. That means ये positive and negative will cancel for this up to 1 by 50 minus 1 by 50 na. So what is remaining is 1 by 1, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 51 minus 1 by 52. What I am saying is this column if you analyze, ये 1 by 1, 1 by 2 बचेगा, 1 by minus 1 by 51 minus 1 by 52 बचेगा, बाकी सब delete हो जाएगा ना. So sum of that will be the answer. How many of you understood it? It's a very interesting question. In first sight you may not understand it, but once you understood, you will understand it is not very difficult. Yeah, I will write it. The alignment got changed a bit. Just a minute. I'll adjust it so that you will get more clarity. Go through the slide and tell me whether you have understood or not. Clear है या नहीं बताइए. The only terms that is going to remain is 1 by 1, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 52, minus 1 by 51. बाकी सब delete हो जाएगा. Minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, minus 1 by 49 plus 1 by 49, minus 1 by 49, 1 by 50 minus 1 by 50. इसलिए what is remaining is these two, sorry, these two, that is 1 by 1, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 51, minus 1 by 52, minus common लिया तो 1 by 51 plus 1 by 52, that is option C. Option C will be the correct answer. Very good question, na? So let's go to the next question. Yeah, this question actually in school days you have done this. Do you remember? In school days this question was there. I don't remember it was in 10th standard or 11th standard, but it was there. This was asked in GATE 2014. Try it all of you. Very true, biotechy. Okay, so this question, the value of, so this is sum of an infinite sequence itself, but it is not geometric or anything. It's one inside, one inside, one inside up to infinity. So this question or this kind of question, yet 12 ke jagah whatever number comes, same is the procedure. What is the procedure? Ye hai hamara required answer x na. So I will assume that to be x. So ye x का value find करना है ना. x का value find करने के लिए ये भी x है ना, बिकॉज इंफिनिटी से एक टर्म डिलीट किया तो वो अगेन इंफिनिटी ही होगा. दैट इज नॉट इंफिनिटी माइनस वन, दैट इज इंफिनिटी इटसेल्फ. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? This is also in x itself. If you assumed initially this is x, this is also x. That means root of 12 plus x is equal to x. इसको सॉल्व किया तो x का वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकता है and that is our answer ना. Squaring on both sides, 12 plus x equal to x square. Now x square minus x minus 12, taking all terms to one side, equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. You know how to solve it. Either b square minus 2ac, that quadratic equation formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So otherwise splitting the middle term is better option. Minus 4x plus 3x. I hope all of you remember this. Because minus x को minus 4x plus 3x लिखा तो भी गलत नहीं है ना, सेम है ना. Why you are writing like that? Because ये 4 और 3 का प्रोडक्ट 12 है. ऐसा है तो फैक्टराइज करके इजी हो जाएगा सॉल्यूशन. सो x बाहर लिया तो फर्स्ट टू टर्म से x minus 4 मिलेगा, प्लस 3 बाहर लिया तो x minus 4 ही मिलेगा. To get this x minus 4 common, that is why we split the middle term. School day math only, I am not repeating too much. That much time we don't have in this course. So x minus 4 बाहर लिया तो x minus 4 into x plus 3 equal to 0. That means this is 0, this is 0. That is x minus 4 equal to 0 and x plus 3 also equal to 0. X minus 4 0 means x equal to 4. This means x equal to minus 3. X minus 3 anyway nahi hoga. This is positive number only. So this can be eliminated. X equal to 4. 4.000 is the answer. The other options are given just to confuse you. If so, try the next question fast. We'll go a little faster now. It's already 12:40. One or two more types of questions are there. Try this very fast. This question came in 2 NET exams. One time it was 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, etc. Next time it was 8, 8, 8, 8, etc. I guess. I'll show that also as homework. I will give. Okay, so sum of n terms of the series 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, etc. So here it is infinite sequence now, but it is not a geometric sequence or an arithmetic sequence. So using formula is not the case. Here actually there are different ways to do it. You can make it in the form of AP, GP and then solve it. For that you can take 4 outside and each terms you can write it like 10 minus 1, 100 minus 1, 1000 minus 1. That is one procedure. That is a direct method that you have done in school days. I think 10th or 11th class you have learned this in school days. The same type questions. But that is not the smarter way. वो बहुत time consuming है, बहुत time consuming है. इसलिए options use करो taking example method से. I hope I have shown you in one of the previous question taking example method कैसा use करना है ये chapter में. Here also you can do that. There it was not very fast because the other normal method itself was fast. But here the normal method is very time consuming. That is why we are taking examples to do this question. n terms है ना, so n के जगह 1 है तो या 2 है तो या 3 है तो 1 से शुरू करेगा. 1 का 2 ऑप्शंस आ रहा तो या 3 ऑप्शंस आ रहा तो n equal to 2 भी चेक करना पड़ेगा. Let us check. n equal to 1 है तो sum of first one term 4 होगा ना, क्योंकि 1 term means first term only. Are you understanding? So 4 only. So which option give you 4 when n equal to 1? That is what you need to check. N equal to 1 means this will be 4 by 81 into 10 raised to 1 plus 1, that is 10 raised to 200 minus 9 minus 1, that is 100 minus 10, 90. 4 into 90 by 81. 4 into 90 by 81 anyway will not be equal to 4. We need to get sum equal to 4 for n equal to 1. लेकिन ये सम anyway 4 नहीं है ना, क्योंकि 81 and 90 कैंसिल किया तो 1 नहीं मिलेगा. 1 मिलेगा तो ही 4 मिलेगा ना. 4 into 1 only is 4. So option A is eliminated right away because at least n equal to 1 के लिए गलत है. So बाकी cases check ही नहीं करना है. For all n your answer should be correct ना. So let us check B. Now look at, observe carefully. ये दो options compare करना easy है. इसमें ये दोनों terms सेम है ना. So minus 1 minus 10. So that is a smart way. So same thing, instead of minus 1 it should be minus 10. That is 100 minus 9 minus 10. That is 100 minus 19 na? That is 4 by 81 into 81. 4 by 81 into 81 is 4. So this is a potential answer. Because if you are unlucky, there may be one more option which satisfies 4. Then you have to try one more example. But this is a possibility. Let us try other options. Other options try करना है. n equal to 1 substitute किया तो 4 by 81 into 10 raised to 10 minus 1. Sorry, 10 raised to 1 minus 1. That is 10 raised to 0. That is 1. 1 minus 9 minus 1. That will anyway will not be 81. 81 होना चाहिए ना ये दोनों cancel होने के लिए. So ये 4 नहीं होगा. Similarly ये भी 4 by 81 into ये 81 आएगा या नहीं. 81 आएगा तो ही 81 और 81 cancel हो जाएगा. That is 10 minus 1. 10 minus 9 minus 10. That will also not equal to 4. Yeah, all three options. C option के अलावा बाकी सब options गलत है. So C answer होना ही चाहिए. That is the smart way to do it. Practice more by just looking at options. You will say this will not be 4. This will not be 4. To just make you understand, I have explained it elaborately. But if you practice, you will save a lot of time. Same question repeat हो गया 2020 में. Option D होना चाहिए answer. n equal to 1 से try करिए. 2014 वाला question 4 के जगह 8 आया 2020 में. Are you understanding? So I hope this much is clear. इसका एक little more different version is this. Different means procedure तो same है. Check it out. Same idea. N equal to 1. So 3 questions of the same type was asked. What I told you now is enough to do that. So 2 homework questions of the same type. Answer D आएगा इसका भी. ये दोनों questions try करिए. Yeah, it's already 1.5 to 1 hour 40 minutes. Now we have to prepare for the next session and have lunch also. ये भी try करिए. ये भी थोड़ा tricky है but try करिए. I will give the solution of this in the Sorry, it is not 8. Option B hoga. Yeah, I will give the solution in the PDF I am sending. Now more doubts I will cover in next class, or maybe I will arrange some extra class if possible. So anyway, those of your doubts, specify your doubt, that is very recommended. So yeah, all other questions are done. This is sequences and series. Your feedback are welcome. In general solution, Renu, I told the idea. If you people want then another class, I will discuss that. Now if I start, it will be taking very time consuming. Idea ये है 4 है तो 4 बाहर ले लो सारा टर्म्स का, तो 111 111 ऐसा हो जाएगा. उसको बेस टर्म में लिखो. बेस टर्म मीन्स 1 10 100 एक्सेट्रा. उसके बाद उसको दो सेपरेट सीक्वेंस बना के इन्फिनिट सीक्वेंस का फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. सो ट्राई करो. मे बी ऑन अनदर क्लास आई विल टेल दैट. Again, yeah, your feedback are welcome. Do you people want more lectures in this course? More lectures anyway in this course. Sorry, this is for the previous. In this course anyway, it is not possible, but your feedback are welcome. Are you understanding things properly? We are trying to keep a balance of theory and previous year questions. दोनों important है. Theory से भी important है प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन. थियरी कैसा अप्लाई कर रहा है, दैट इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट इन कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम. लॉट ऑफ थियरी लर्न किया तो भी नहीं चलेगा. बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग, लॉजिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ थियरी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सम चैप्टर्स डज नॉट हैव इवन थियरी. इट इज लाइक फ्रॉम नथिंग यू हैव टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. सो please try to practice as many questions as possible. Previous year questions as much as possible I am trying to make you do in the class itself. So happy to hear, Amit. So if you felt this class is useful, do hit the like button and do share this to maximum people. I expect a bigger crowd to attend this class live itself. So invite more of your friends. Anyone who is preparing for GATE, as I told, anyone who is preparing for any of the GATE exams, and anyone who is preparing for CSIR exam also, first 40 lectures it will be useful for CSIR preparation also. Those who attend my other full-length courses for CSIR, whether you should attend this course or not can be decided. If you are preparing for GATE, I will recommend you should attend this course. If you are preparing only for CSIR, if you are attending my plus course, if you have lack of time, you can skip this course. लेकिन टाइम है तो यह कोर्स CSIR के लिए, प्रैक्टिस के लिए बहुत यूजफुल होगा. प्रैक्टिस के लिए, क्योंकि गेट एग्जाम क्वेश्चंस इफ यू प्रैक्टिस, यू विल बी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट इन CSIR एप्टीट्यूड ऑल्सो. So okay, Biotechy, thank you for the feedback. So happy to hear, Shreya. Thank you, Amit, for homework. More homework I will try to, Aniket. Yeah, let me tell you frankly, currently I have a big constraint of time. My other courses in other platforms are also running, and there are actually now the pandemic situation is little under control, so I have to take classes in other institutes or other invited talk seminars, etc. So currently I am having a time crunch, so that is why sometimes I take time to upload the PDF and all, but what I have promised I will deliver. That is what I am telling. As much as possible, some time change and all will be there. I am trying to take daily, but sometimes due to health issues I cannot take. That time I will let you know, but my word is I will complete the syllabus for you in this free course. That means this syllabus I have promised. As I told, sometimes rescheduling and all will be there because health concerns are there, personal emergencies can come, so many things are there. So but this schedule that I have told, that is why I haven't mentioned the date in schedule. Because if I keep that, if I tell that, if I promise you that, that will be a difficult promise to keep. But this schedule, as per schedule, I will complete 50 lectures. As much as I can, I will deliver it. So please invite more people. That will be a big motivation. Let me tell you frankly, that is a big motivation. Even if our throat is very straining and our head is aching, when we see a bigger crowd, that is always a big motivation. When we see that more people are interested to attend our classes and more people are listening to us, that is a big motivation. And definitely it is a big motivation that our channel is also growing. To be frank, that is also one interest I have. More people are coming to my channel, more people, because this channel is more closer to me than any other platforms I teach, because this is my own channel. So definitely that channel growing is obviously one objective, that if more people are coming to the channel if through this course, that is also a happy thing. So if you people can do something for that by inviting your friends, by letting them know that this course exists, and if you feel, yeah, only if you feel this is useful, recommend them. Don't tell them that this is a good course if you don't feel this is a good course. Only if you feel this is a good course, recommend this to maximum people. That will be a big help. That will be a big help for yourself also, because my plan is, if this course is going well, if this course is having good engagement, I'm trying to give you continuous free classes after this course also. After this course means there will be a gap of 1 or 2 months, but continuous free classes through this platform. That is the plan. Let's see how it works out. So please motivate educators more by yeah, I am telling only about the free initiatives. The paid initiatives are running in other platforms. That is a different thing. That's a different thing. That have its own advantage, that have its own disadvantage. And this have its own advantage and disadvantage. First advantage is it is free of cost. So as it is free of cost, do help me to get this free initiatives to maximum people. So that is a gentle request to all of you. So happy to hear that many of your friends who you people told that this person is the person who have told that there is such class, and now I am feeling that I am more confident in aptitude. That time I also feel very contented that our students or my students are helping us to promote this course to more people. So please do that. Please continue to do that who are doing it. Those who are not doing that, do that from today onwards. Whoever you know preparing for GATE or CSIR or other competitive exam, who you think want to attend this session, personally let them know there is such a course and that is beneficial for you. So that will be a big help. Live or recorded, they can attend it. Yeah, I know many people have time constraint. 11 o'clock is a time that they cannot attend the class. Then you can share the video to them so that they can watch it as recording. So that's it. Thank you all of you. See you all on the next class. Yeah, I will go through all the chat. Yeah, I am going through all of your comments, and so happy to see all of your comments also after the video also. Keep doing that. So thank you all. Take care all of you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.